Great. So, what do you see for yourself? Think and grow rich. From that angle, बात करना.
What I feel, this book is very good for the women who want to do something for themselves, who want to create something for themselves. As I'm reading this book and following the steps that is mentioned in the book, and I'm growing in my life, and now I see myself as a woman entrepreneur and want to serve the working professional only. And as we are reading this chapter, earlier the chapter was brain. Once again, I read it today. And as the women brain are made for collaboration and doing multiple tasks at the same time, we can handle so many things. Even the women brains are very matured enough. If, left and right brain, we can access both the brain. But in the case of male, they can access the one. And women can organize so many things. Even she is very compassionate, kind, and they can build the relationship. They can keep the data, so many data. They can remember the past and the future, everything that men are not able to. And they women are very good in communicating with others, remembering the birthdays, how to celebrate each and everything. So that was really a marvelous thing for me as I was reading. And now today we are reading about the institution. What I would like to say from my own life, each and every day my heart, my soul says me that I'm not made for the simple life. Simple life means I'm here to create something big. Because if I'm working on my dreams and goals, it is going to serve many women's. So my heart each and every day it tells me, even if I am trying to skip some of the things, my soul tell me that don't skip it today, do it today. It's good for your growth. The vision that you have, it's good for them. So like that, the guidance I'm getting, and so many people are in my life who are helping a day in and day out. Whatever I'm posting, whatever I'm doing, people are watching it, they are appreciating me. They are connecting me on my consultation call and telling me you have become very bold and very brave. So such type of comments I'm getting. People, even my colleagues are watching my videos on so many social media programs, social media platforms, and they are appreciating me that you have came so far in your life. You have grown a lot, and feel good to see you, and very good. You are working on your own dreams and projects. So that's all what I wanted to add. And the best time in this book that is mentioned, how we can harness the power of our institution, is the power of silence. As we have seen the children, how imaginative they are not fearful. Whatever they want to do, they do. If they want to jump, they jump on the stairs also. I have seen the kids. And we teachers and even the parents, don't go there, don't rush there, come in line. So some bondation we are making for them. But I feel if they're left free, they will be able to fly and touch the sky in a very less time, what I feel. So let's learn from the kids. And we are kids only. 6-year old child with so many of experience we can add as per our age. So every day I feel that I too love to imagine and write my own stories. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Amazing, Rajeshwari. So happy and so proud of you, yeah. The way you are growing and what you have said, it's nice.
Thank you, thank you,
Yeah.
Anj.
This is so good. Means real, I feel that whatever we read, it is very important to apply it in the life. And
Yeah.
it's not just telling others or giving lectures, but it's like how we apply it to our growth, our not necessary financial growth. My I believe in like if my personality is growing, if I am growing and I am becoming a better person, I'm connecting with people, I'm understanding others, and I'm able to manage my relations, manage my lifestyle. I would say everything, every aspect, not just finances, but everything. So I feel more powerful. And with reading Think and Grow Rich, this is really empowering thoughts. because they are emphasizing on the power of women. In our mythology also ना दुर्गा को कहते हैं हाथों वाली एंड मल्टीटास्क, वो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, उनके पास वेपन भी है, मदर का भी है, सब कुछ. सो इट्स द अल्टीमेट थिंग, अल्टीमेट एनर्जी, अल्टीमेट पावर, जिसके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं होता. सिमिलरली यहाँ भी one at a time they are taking either brain hai ya the intuitive power. Today what we read was about intuition and power of our own thought, sixth sense. So this is like, yes, kind of we are able to connect with ourselves somewhere, with our spirit. And the intuition, it is not just ki, it is a kind of emotion passing at that moment, but it is somewhat generally I believe it is based on the experience, but it comes with the experience only, and the emotion also gives rise to those intuitions that yes, we have a glitch, we get, sorry, not glitch, we get a hint that okay, something might happen or something. This is not just emotional, this is a kind of sixth sense. Yes, I agree, but वो भी समझना जरूरी है कि वो कहाँ पर इमोशन से फ्रेम हो रहा है, and how we are responding to that. It is an emotional decision, or it is a real clear idea that yes, this might be a indication from the universe, so that we have to understand. उसमें differentiate करना जरूरी है, and that is what women can do, because we are born with that, we are gifted with that kind of brain. तो ये बहुत important है उसको समझना, अपने अंदर की फीलिंग को. And yes, it's ये बस ये बता के कि we are women and we are very powerful. This is enforcing a thought. Yes, I can do anything, I can do everything, and this is what I always say to myself. And I feel so blessed and so powerful at times that I have that capacity. I can do anything, whatever I want to do. That's all.
Nice sharing, Anjali.
Thank you. When you are the last one to speak, then there's not much to say. But yeah, I love the first sentence, the door to the temple of wisdom. And yeah, this is what I feel कि जैसे अंजलि जी and राजेश्वरी जी ने किया. It simply means कि what appears as your gut feeling. And we should never, मतलब जैसे author ने कहा, we should try to differentiate between whether it's a fear or it's a gut feeling. And here in dictionary meaning में लिखा intuition as a natural ability or power that make it possible to know something without any proof or evidence. मतलब हमें पहले से intuition हो गया कि this is happening. And what I feel कि if we work, even if the 1,000 people are saying कि you are not able to do it, but you have that gut feeling, yeah, you feel कि this should be done or this can be done. मतलब the inner power, your inner feeling says yes, you have the ability. So it helps your burning desire to turn into the reality. So, and obviously, as Pinaki sir already for कि इसमें जो उन्होंने quotes दिए हैं और famous personality, the few of them were very very profound. और लिटिल चिल्ड्रन का भी जैसे अंजलि जी ने एग्जाम्पल दिया कि लिटिल चाइल्ड्स ऑलवेज वर्क अपॉन अपॉन हिज इंट्यूशंस रादर देन obeying to ours. Or yeah, so thank you so much.
Beautiful. See what in fact Napoleon Hill and both Sharon Licker is talking about is they're talking about few words. One of them is infinite intelligence. So you are connected to your infinite intelligence, and that opens up that temple of wisdom for you. And temple of wisdom is that temple which is already there, but only few have access to it. You have to access it, you need to connect with your infinite intelligence, the supreme consciousness that we talk about. What the way I am looking at it is from a context where we talk about past life experiences. this is something that this itself is a science. So when you are saying that, okay, the kind of knowledge that I have right now in this birth, I cannot connect this suggestion or this decision with my present knowledge base, but I know this is going to work. So how do you know this is going to work? Because like if you look at NLP, neuro linguistic programming says that you can take any action based on the resources that you have access to. You can think of anything, you can come up with any solution based on the resources that you have access to. So if my present life doesn't have access to that resources, according to my knowledge base, because I'm unable to figure out why I'm saying so, it is my gut feeling, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऐसा ही होने वाला है, ऐसा करो करके देखो. It is not that simple as that the way it appears. That is where the sixth sense is coming. So again, NLP is also talking about a sixth sense, which says that which is making sense of all senses. So when you connect the dots, you can see that though you think that my present this is my intuition and it has no connection with the knowledge base which I have right now, the science says that yes, there is still a connection, and that connection is probably with your past life experiences. The soul carries all the experiences. Even Brahma Kumari says that karma, the soul is carrying the result of the karma. So when you get into another body, when you leave this body, get into another body, you carry all your experiences with yourself. It is getting recorded in that soul's database. So sixth sense is like how I could connect is it's that connection with the past life experiences. If there is any connection at all. Otherwise, आपको क्यों लग रहा है कि इससे काम होगा? And often it discover that it works. That's what they're saying, that for women, it hasn't found that it works many times. So that's how I could connect the dots. Well, there is another way of looking at this whole chapter, and this chapter is since this book is all about Think and Grow Rich, it is all about becoming rich, not only in terms of financial wealth, but in terms of other wealths as well. Like I would strongly invite Anjali to become a part of the 5 types of wealth book that we are doing, that we're living in a group setup. You can just be a part of it. And every day we are sharing our life experiences, and I'm compiling them into story format. And that is an amazing experience in its own way. So what I'm talking about is that this one word, intuition, you can convert it into a business. The way this chapter has been written, even if you just follow it, there is also many information on this intuition thing, which is there. And if you really want to dig a little deeper, dive a little deeper, you can connect with past life experiences, and you can create a whole course out of it. And this course can be so unique. Like if you can attach hypnotism to this also, you can get yourself certified by American Board of Hypnosis. जैसे मैंने certification लिया American Board of Neuro Linguistic Programming से. You can also take a certification American Board of Hypnosis, and you can carve out rather a new career out of it, which is going to make a huge difference in people's life. But most of, like as I could see from this chapter and from all my other readings about intuition so far, that this woman instinct is something unparalleled. And if you learn the art of capturing or controlling that instinct, nothing like that, and if you can transmit it to others, you can create a whole new world out of that. Because woman, जैसे अभी अंजलि ने बोला ना दुर्गा, तो जब एक as a man, we can do only one thing at a time. As a woman, you can do 10 things at a time. You have the supreme power. You have the power to give a birth to a new human being. Now, we can't do that. इतना power भगवान ने आपको दिया है ना? अगर आप चाहो So you can bring a whole new way of looking at the world for every human being around you, particularly starting with book. Just think over it. It's a big opportunity. Right. So with that, I'm coming to an end to this session. And that's it from my side. If anybody would like to add anything, you can go ahead and add.
आजकल एक वर्ड और यूज किया जाता है, वाइब्स। और ये मोस्टली आप देखेंगे लेडीज ही यूज करती हैं, विमेन ही यूज करती हैं। वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द वाइब्स, यहाँ वो उसमें अच्छा नहीं लगा, उस इंसान से बात करने में वो वाइब्स नहीं आ रहे थे या वो सब ना। So this is also an indication that women have that sixth sense. Women can sense कि something is awkward, something is wrong, or something is right. They are attached. उनको पता चल जाता है।
In fact, the very second question was that, do you pay attention to other people's body language when you meet them?
यस, हाँ, तो ये विमेन को जल्दी पता चलता है। तो ये बाय बर्थ उनको एक गिफ्ट, वो विमेन आर ब्लेस्ड एक्चुअली। जो पहले कहा जाता था ना लड़कियां या लड़कियों के अगेंस्ट, एक्चुअली इट इज अ ब्लेसिंग टू बी अ गर्ल। इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग। we are born with so many gifts, we are born with so many, such a great power ना कि we can transform anything। बस अपने अंदर के उसको जगाना है, अपने अंदर की जो आग है ना उसको फ्यूल करते रहना है, तो वो जरूरी होता है। एंड दैट कम्स विद एक इंटेंशन, एक सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के साथ कि समझ के चलते रहो। एंड इफ यू गेट गुड सपोर्टर्स अराउंड, तो बस मार्वलस, सब कुछ आपको मिल गया लाइफ में। तो इट्स नॉट जस्ट फाइनेंसेस दैट मेक्स अस वर्दी, पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं। एक अभी रिसेंटली सुना था कि एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ बेड पे a rich person, he will not think of the bank balance, he will think टाइम क्यों। शायद आपने बात कही थी या किसने, मैंने याद नहीं आ रहा, कि बट आई हर्ड समवेयर कि डेथ बेड पे जो होगा तो वो, हाँ, कि वो उसको ना उस समय टाइम की चाहिए कि मेरे पास काश टाइम होता है, या मैं और लोगों से मिल पाता, या मेरे पास कितने लोग मुझे देखने आए हैं इस टाइम पे। वो एक्चुअल वेल्थ होती है। सिर्फ बैंक बैलेंस को बैंक में रख करके फायदा नहीं। तो आपकी लाइफ तभी सार्थक होती है, या इट इज वर्थ लिविंग, जब आपके पास बाकी चीजें, जो 5 काइंड्स ऑफ वेल्थ है जो अलग से हम पढ़ते हैं, तो इट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। सो फोकस जो है ना, विमेन के पास सब कुछ हासिल करने की ताकत है, वो कुछ भी पा सकती है, बस उसको उसका क्लियर होना चाहिए फोकस की चाहिए क्या। बट उसके लिए तो सभी कुछ पॉसिबल है, वेल्थ भी पॉसिबल है, एंड अपनी पावर को शो करना भी, स्टेज पे खड़े होना। अब लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी पर्सनालिटीज, दोज हु डोंट चार्ज एनीथिंग, but they are working towards humanity, they are working towards other people's growth, they are helping others, तो वो लोग भी हैं, and they are getting better name। It is not money that gives you a better name, it's the kind of work you are giving to, or it's the kind of service you are giving to the society that makes you valuable। So focus on that, वो important होना चाहिए।
Very
Just to add to what अंजलि जी ने कहा, कि जब बच्चा छोटा होता है ना, आप देखिएगा कि ही क्राइज व्हेन ही गोज इनटू आर्म्स ऑफ सम पीपल एंड ही एंजॉयज द कंफर्ट इन सम पीपल्स एल्स। तो एज अ न्यू बॉर्न ऑल्सो आई थिंक ही हैव द दैट रियलाइजेशन ऑफ वाइफ्स की किसकी गोदी में he has to cry and whom he has to be happy.
Very true. Wonderful. Can we all come on camera for a minute?
Sorry।
अंजलि, आपका
There is
सिर्फ
some
ग्रीन
issue with my
बैकग्राउंड,
camera, sir।
आपका सिर्फ ग्रीन बैकग्राउंड दिख। जल्दी आ जाइए, फ्लाइट छूट जाएगी। उसको थोड़ी पता था कि एक सवाल का जवाब उसके पास नहीं है, तो he will give his life for that। कलमा पढ़ना आता है, बस गॉन। matter of a moment.
Sir, my camera is not switching on. Some issues, color उसमें है, it's not coming.
कोई बात नहीं, आप तकदीर में यही है तो यही मिलेगा. Okay, let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. अरे पल्लवी, स्क्रीन नहीं कैमरे की तरफ देखो. हाँ, look at the camera. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब चश्मा बनवाओगी ना, तो उनको बोलना कि रिफ्लेक्शन फ्री लेंस देने के लिए,
Sure, sir.
है ना? They are very good. All right. Okay. Bye bye.
सर जब
हाँ.
रिकॉर्डिंग करेंगे तो एक सवाल पूछना था.
हाँ प्लीज.
सर मैम कौन सी बुक लिख रही है? कल की रिकॉर्डिंग में आपने बताया था वेल्थ वाली में.
She has written many stories. तो उन स्टोरीज को लेके हम कंपाइल करके एक बुक बना रहे हैं.
मैम क्या करती हैं?
वो एक कंपनी है स्टीरिया, सोप्रा स्टीरिया, वहाँ पे जॉब करती है. She is into auditing.
It was such a wonderful कल की रिकॉर्डिंग सुनने में कि you both are writing the book. Now I have also started dreaming me and my husband will write together and I will share with him as soon as he's back from the bank audit.
मेरा वाइफ ने बोल दिया उसे मेरा नाम नहीं आएगा.
हैं? क्यों?
नहीं आएगा, फिर नहीं आएगा. But she thinks that if my name shows up in her book, then it will influence the sales. She said, I do not want you to influence it.
Okay. तो मैं भी अपनी ड्रीम्स को रिफ्रेम कर लूंगी. Okay, thank you. Great day, everyone.
चलो.
Good night.